In this video, I'll show you how to see your credit card number on the RBC app. First, start by opening the RBC app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the app loads properly. Once the app is open, sign in using your RBC username and password. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well to access your account securely. After logging in, tap on the login button to fully access your accounts. This will bring you to the main dashboard where all your accounts are displayed. From here, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the More option. The More section contains additional features and settings for your accounts, so this is where you'll find the tools you need. Next, tap on Services. Under Services, you'll see multiple options, including Statements, Account Management, and other features. Select Statements to view the list of available statements for your accounts. Here, you'll find all your credit and debit cards listed, so pick the specific credit card you want to see. Once you select your card, the detailed statement will open. On this screen, you will be able to view your full credit card number, your security code, and the expiry date. Some versions of the app may require you to verify your identity again before showing the full number for security purposes, so follow any prompts if they appear.